How to use the envelopes trading strategy. Today we'll show you how to use the envelope strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the envelopes indicator, which was first used by Chester W. Keltner. The envelopes indicator consists of 2 SMA lines that frame the price chart. It helps to determine when the price of an asset becomes too high or too low compared to the average price. How to set up the envelopes indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements, and set the percentage deviation at 0.05%. Watch how the chart crosses the SMA lines. Open an up trade when the chart crosses the SMA from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the chart crosses the SMA from top to bottom. Combine envelope signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. Learn how the RSI and MACD indicators work in these videos. Try it now. Follow the link in the description.